"See you in court" or "I'll take you to court" are the most common statements or threats made, not just in movies but in everyday life too. It seems to be the popular method to settle disputes. Whether people mean it or not, they surely do believe in the legal system so much that they don't shy away from filing a case. There are more than 2 crore pending cases in India, out of which some are bound to be bizarre. Today at Simbly Chumma, we are going to talk about the weirdest and most bizarre cases that were filed in India. Number 5. Oh my god, it's a boy! In one bizarre case, a young bride actually turned out to be a boy after marriage. This unfortunate incident took place with 37-year-old Balak Ram, a resident of Badaun in Uttar Pradesh in India. He paid Rs 50,000 to marry Rajkumari, a dancer from a travelling troupe who turned out to be a 14-year-old pretty boy. The weirdest thing is they were married for a week before Balak realized what was up. Pretty late, don't you think? Or was he waiting for Rajkumar to become Rajkumari again? Maybe. Number 4. Lal Bihari Identity Case, 1975 to 1994. Lal Bihari was born in 1955 and supposedly died in 1975. Supposedly. Yes, his uncle had bribed government officials to declare him dead so that he could inherit their ancestral land. As per official records, Mr. Lal Bihari was registered as deceased until 1994. He has since then been an activist, trying to prove that he is alive. He also performed his mock funeral, asked for widow's compensation for his wife, stood in the election against Rajiv Gandhi in 1989, and even added a Mritak to his name. He currently heads an organization that handles similar identity cases. Number 3. Ranveer Singh Yadav vs Delhi Transport Corporation. Ranveer Singh Yadav has been fighting a case for almost 40 years where he is accused of taking 5 paise extra for a 10 paise ticket from a woman passenger in 1973. Though Labour Court ruled Ranveer Singh innocent in 1990, DTC went to the High Court. And after 40 years and lakhs of rupees spent by both parties for the legal hassles, finally in 2016, the court gave a verdict in favor of Ranveer Singh Yadav, who was 75 when the judgment finally came. DTC was asked to pay 6 lakh rupees to Ranveer Singh as compensation. All this over 5 paise, a currency which no longer exists. Number 2. Arrest that parrot. A parrot was ordered to appear at a police station in India after being trained to hurl abuses at his owner's elderly stepmother. The parrot, named Haryal, was trained for 2 years by owner Suresh Sakharkar to insult his stepmother Janabai every time she passed his home in a small city in Maharashtra. The two were locked in a dispute over property, according to local newspapers. So whenever she passed by, the parrot started hurling abuses. One fine day, Janabai got fed up of the abuses and lodged a police complaint, resulting in the arrest of the parrot. But Haryal, being a cheeky parrot, decided to stop talking when in the police station. Still, a case has been filed against the parrot and Suresh. At least under court's oath, people expect Haryal to tell the truth to the world. Number 1. Coup Yadav vs Women Power. In 2004, Coup Yadav, a serial rapist, was lynched in the courtroom by 200 women. Armed with stones, kitchen knives and chili powder, they took him down in 15 minutes. When every woman questioned claimed responsibility for the murder, the court had to dismiss the case. These women decided to take the law into their hands after repeated complaints with the police fell on deaf ears. What do you think of this list? Do you think you would like to see a second edition of this video? Please do comment below. If you have any top 5 suggestions, feel free to mail us at simblychumma@gmail.com.